Three friends own a landscaping business. The number of hours each friend spent on the same project is shown in the table below. Hours worked on a landscaping project: 17 and a quarter, 18 and a quarter, 14 and a half. In total, they earned $850 for the job. They put 15% of the amount into a joint savings account for future expenses. They then divided the rest proportionally based on the number of hours each worked. How much money does Dino get? So, the first thing is, if you're taking out, they put 15% of that money into a savings account. So if you take away 15% from 100, you're left with 85%. So X over $850 is 85 over 100. When you solve that, that will get how much money is left. So this is the money. Now, you're going to figure out how many total hours they worked. So if you take these three amounts and add them up, it's the number of total hours. Add them up. Now you're going to look at just Dino. So Dino was 14 and a half hours out of, I'm going to put total hours, equals his amount of money to the total amount of money. So once you get these two answers, the total hours and the amount of money, you can solve what Dino gets. The coach for a basketball team wants to buy new shoes for 12 players. Foot Locker is offering a 20% discount on each pair of shoes, which were originally priced at $72.50. A 6.5% tax will be applied to the discounted price. The same shoes were also offered on Payless's website for $54.75. A 9% processing fee will be applied to the cost of each shoe, plus a shipping fee of $5.99 for each shoe. What is the difference in the total costs of the 12 pairs of shoes between the two stores? So for Foot Locker, you first must figure out what the discount price is. So if it's discounted 20%, you're going to do X over $72.50 equals 20% discount, 80%. Once you get this number, the discounted price, you set up a new proportion. X over the discount. And it's a 6.5% tax. So if you have 100 plus 6.5, it's 106.5 over 100. You get the total cost of each shoe. Whatever you get for this total times the 12 shoes. That gets you the first amount. To do the second amount, it's a 9% processing fee. So if processing fee means it's more. So 100 plus 9. So X over $54.75 equals 109 over 100. So that's the cost per shoe. Plus whatever you get, plus $5.99. Whatever you get for this total. Total times 12. When you get these two numbers, it asks you to find the difference. And we all know that difference means subtract.